Ever since I upgraded the Mongoose XR-Pro, those Vittoria tires I installed will not stay inflated. The tires are great, but air leaks from the WTB rims, even though they're really taped up and supposedly tubeless ready. I bought another set of the WTB wheels for the Motobacane build, but decided to go another direction because of the inflation problems. And this led me down a deep, expensive rabbit hole with Industry 9 wheels, costing me over $1,000. When I seemingly solved the air leaking problem with the WTB rims on the Motobacane, there had to be a cost-effective solution for the Mongoose. It's a great ride. This Ram transmission is snappy and responsive. I like it a lot, but the leaky WTB wheels need to go. I need factory-sealed mountain bike wheels for the Mongoose. But in the 4 years since that video, I discovered that skewer-style wheels, the QR or quick release type, have practically disappeared from the market. Most mountain bike wheel sets nowadays have boost spacing and through axles, and that means they're expensive. And like on the Motobacane, it means more so if you have to adapt them to older forks and frame styles. I did a search for 29 mountain bike wheel set QR for quick release. I skipped the usual suspects like Jensen USA this time and found Hunt Bike Wheels USA. I noted the specs. They were boost, of course, with 15mm through axle for the front wheel and 12mm for the back. But there's another factor, hub spacing. And I'm talking about the width of your hub, how wide it is. But then, of course, you got to think about how wide are your forks? How wide is the chainstay? And what about the through axles? How do you overcome that? Hunt's order process is detailed. They ask you to choose your axle and hub setup. I was going for the standard boost spacing and then swap the end caps and add QR adapters like I did with the Motobacane, but something wasn't right. The nut roll with Industry 9 was a major pain. You can watch the video here. So I wanted to talk to a Hunt salesperson before purchasing. Come to discover, Hunt doesn't have a direct line to their shop in Colorado. Instead, you set up a callback appointment and they get back to you later. Okay. Well, before my call the next day, they emailed me. Folks, Hunt is a very special company. They literally walked me through their process to make sure I got the best wheel set for my needs. They built me a custom wheel set to my specifications. No sleeve inserts or end cap swap needed. My wheels have the correct hub for my cassette, the proper width for my tires, and come ready to mount. And save me over $200 in the process just on the wheel choice alone.
Later.
Mighty good to be back on the Mongoose and on these Vittorias. Hunt bike wheels for the win. What? This isn't a sponsored video, by the way, just another true experience on my journey to wellness in my late 50s. If you want to join me on this road to recovery, consider subscribing to the TSF channel. Y'all take care, and as always, we'll see you out there.